So let's start. Feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky, chin parallel. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, turn the palms out, inhale, exhale, bring the hands to the chest. So inhale, bring the hands together, looking up, exhale, follow the hands down. So inhale and exhale, 2 more, inhale up, exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale and exhale. Arms in front of the body, bring them up and around, swapping them over, going up and around. So just in your own time, try and relax in the breathing, a nice smooth movement. And roll the shoulders back. And forwards. Now we'll take the legs nice and wide and we'll do a forward bend. So hands on the hips, squeezing the thighs, and we'll bring the body halfway parallel to the ground, back is flat, and then coming back up. So inhale first, exhale, coming forwards. So just wherever you can comfortably, so don't strain. Inhale and exhale. And coming back up. Now placing the palms into the lower back, squeeze the elbows together. We'll inhale, exhale, look up to the sky. Inhale, exhale, come forward, flat back, body parallel. And coming back. So again, inhale. Exhale, look up, inhale there, exhale forward, and back to center. So one more, we'll inhale, exhale, look up, inhale, exhale, come forward, and if you want to, slide the hands down the legs to wherever you get to, and then coming back up. We're going to work on a balance pose, tree pose. So standing on the right foot, and we're going to bring the left foot either to the ankle or to the calf or to the inner thigh, just wherever you're at. We're gradually working into the pose. So if you can, we bring the arms up, but you can always keep the arms shoulder level to help with balance. We're going to do 2 each side, and moving on to the right or the left foot, standing on the right leg. We're just working on your tree pose. And coming down. One more each side. So again, bring the foot to the ankle, the calf, or to the upper thigh, but don't rest the foot on the knee joint. So I'm going to straighten the arms up if we can, palms together. Inhale, lengthen the arms. Exhale, relax the shoulders. Inhale, exhale. One more inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, relax the shoulders. Keep breathing and bring the arms down. Last one. wherever you're at. Remember, one side might be easier than the other. If we can, we're going to try and keep the palms together. Inhale, lengthen up through the arms, and exhale, relax the shoulders. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Remember, keep the belly button squeezed in, and bring your hands down. Through standing pose, we're going to start with a high lunge, so left foot forward, right foot back. Both sets of toes facing forwards, the front knees bent. We're going to do the low twist. We take the we'll bring the arms up first. I'm going to add the back bend, if that feels okay for you. So just looking up to the sky, so arching the back, and coming back. Now we'll do the low twist. So the outside of the elbow to the outside of the thigh. Take the right hand to the inside of the left foot, and the left arm reaching straight up. You've got that twist at the waist, and come back to center. The other side, so we've got the right foot forward, left foot back, right knee is bent, and the left heel is up. And bring the arms up. Now, if the back's okay, we're going to arch and look up to the sky, taking the arms back. Remember, nothing should hurt. We come back to the middle with the hands to the chest, and then come down to the low twist. Fingers pointing forwards. And take the hand to the inside of the foot, and reach the other arm straight up to the sky. And coming back, hands to the chest, sweep the back leg forward, and we'll finish with the posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, trying to feel the heartbeat with that upper hand. Just relax the body. And bringing the arms down, and we're all done.